Hi, this is Bruce Paul and you're listening to Lighting Gourmet. Today we're talking about the AFX LED under cabinet lighting system. It's an awesome product. It's my favorite under cabinet lights. Sorry all you other vendors, but this stuff rocks. It's the Pro Series. Comes in 5 sizes and 3 finishes. A white, a bronze, and a nickel. The sizes are going to range from as wide as 40 inches, 32, 22, 14, and 9 inches. It direct wires 120 volt into the unit. You can connect units with this connector that comes with the product, and you can literally splice them together, just connect. It actually has preset mounting screws. All you do is slip your drill in there, a couple squirts of your drill, and this thing's already mounted up. So it's a really quick, clean install, a 1-inch profile. You put them to the back of the cabinets is my preference. You don't have to, but I like them in the back so you don't see any wires coming out of the wall and you get a nice clean look. What makes this product awesome, it's an LED integrated. There's no bulbs or lamping to ever change out. And it actually has a high-low switch. You want to put it on a wall switch and then set it on high, and you can dim it very easily. With most dimming, works real well with this. And the best thing about this product is it has a switch on it right here. You can change the color temperature. That's not the brightness, that's high-low. The color temperature is the color of the light that's coming out of it. You can get 2700K, you can get 3000K, and you can get 4000K. That's basically 2700K is a warm light. It's traditional kind of incandescent type feel. A 3000 is started the white curve. It's a nice crisp light. And a 4000 is really going to get a lot of white in there and starts getting some blue look to it. All 3 colors can make your under cabinet look really well, or one of them might be really good for a season. And it's just with the flip of a switch, you change that. So you don't have to pre-decide. You get this product, you get wired in, you get any color selection you want. I love this thing, and we sell a boatload of it. Awesome. It's the AFX Pro Series.